how to fix ChatGPT data analysis chart not generating. So to fix ChatGPT data analysis charts not generating, you can start by clearing the app cache on your Android device and uploading the app on your iOS. Now on your iOS device, what you have to do is go to settings, then tap on general, then tap iPhone storage. Now find ChatGPT from the list, or you can just tap on the search bar at the bottom and then search for ChatGPT. Now tap upload app and then tap upload app one more time to confirm it. Once you do that, you will see the reinstall app button right here. Simply tap on reinstall app button or just go to your Apple App Store, find the Chat app and then reinstall it from there. Now the next thing what you can do is go to your Google Play Store or Apple App Store, find the Chat app, and if you see an update button available right here, tap on update to get the latest version. Now the next what you can do is start a new thread. Long conversations can time out or lag during code interpretation and data visualization execution. Starting a clean chat often bypasses the glitch. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next one.